In this video we're taking a look at the mesh inner tent for the Hilleberg Soulo. Here I have both side by side. This is only the mesh inner tent. It's packed quite loosely, so it does compress just a little bit. Weight wise it is the same as the regular inner tent of the Soulo, so no difference there. This is however ideal for the summer weather. The pole attachment kit is already included in the package, so no need to purchase that separately. You can use that kit in order to set up the inner tent on its own without the outer tent. Right now we have amazing weather. Summer is my favorite day of the year here in the Netherlands. So tonight I'm going to use only this mesh inner tent to sleep in and no outer tent. I've already used it once before and it was great. I have the pole kit attached already. So I'm going to keep it on for now, and later on I'll show you how it is attached to the inner tent. So here I have just the standard poles that come with the Soulo. I'll set up the mesh inner tent and show you around. So the way that it works is you have these pole attachments that you clip onto the inner tent, and some of them are also attached to some rope, and that rope will help to keep the whole structure in place. So this tent is noticeably more breathable compared to the yellow one. I don't have a sleeping pad in here, but at this point I can comfortably sit up in here without touching this roof, which is sitting just a little bit lower than usually would. When attached inside of the Soulo, this should have exactly the same dimensions as the standard tent. Looking at the top, you see that there's no way to really attach these toggles, and therefore the roof is sitting just a little bit lower. However, I don't find that to be an issue for me. I can still comfortably sit up in here.